This is a little tip for trainee gas engineers doing tightness tests. As you can see, I've started the tightness test, and the pressure is going up quite rapidly. I know the emergency control valve isn't passing or letting by, but the pressure's going up considerably, which is quite confusing. So put it in the meter cupboard out of the sun, and let's redo the tightness test. Shut the door, keep the sun away from the gauge, and now we've got a more accurate reading. There's a slight increase in pressure, but nothing like before. A bit more what you would expect. Also, leaving it out in the sun with the ECV open, we've got standing pressure, which now looks quite high. It is okay, it is under 30 millibar, but it is still increasing. So you might be a little bit concerned with it getting close to 30 millibar. So again, I'm going to put my gauge into the meter cupboard. As you can see, we're up to 29.25 standing pressure. We'll shut the cupboard door, come back after I've done a few jobs inside. Let's have a look at the standing pressure now. It's now 23.43 millibar, which again sounds more accurate and more common. Let's put it outside of the meter box again. It is currently just over 23 millibar. Got a few things to do inside for a few minutes, come back out. Nothing's been turned on, the boiler hasn't been used or anything, and we're up to 29.33 millibar again. So there you are, something to look out for when you're doing tightness tests.